야, 되네. 다 대랑네 샤지드 가린 자나 대랑아 소 속속 바동 드바정아티 그거 같이 뒤서 시작인스.
So today my topic is to gather merit and to cleanse obscurations.
야. 되네가 소 속속 바동 드바정아드 nga chola gari pantok yore gari la gumko yore zena.
If you ask what is the benefit of accumulating merit and cleansing obscurations,
다 동보 회지 장나 nga cho sa chen dini dini modap tang ne New York lan don gona nga cho chok sa ya de hwena nga cho di lam khala do song tong ya ga hona nim garam ba tang na khala garam ba tang pe cha so go gndo di khama de nga cho chok sa ba de res.
and so to use an ordinary example, if we wanted to travel from here to New York, we would have to have a budget of our costs for the road, right? We would need to be able to buy gas and food and everything needed for the trip.
Tene de di kormo pe cha de menna nga cho ndo sam na ng de ndo thuk yo mari se lam khanes nam go yo re zama za go na to choma yo mari tende de the meti de nga cho pe cha menna dan ndo thuk yo mari de dong chik bares nga cho chok de mapsak na da nga cho song ji ko mo thwa yo mares.
If we didn't have any money, we might wish to go to New York, but there would be no way to get there. Without gas and food money, it would be impossible. And so the path to liberation is like this. Without gathering merit, then there is no way to become a Buddha.
Tene dipab jangwa de kar re sina da nga chon de ne par New York lan dur go na nga cho motap tong go na mota lam kha yo po yo go ne lam kha na ta do nda na shang da na ti mi nga cho lam ga var tuk chu pa var che cheng mara mathar nge gu jala mongbo jo no to choma sa go ra lam kha ga tip jala nga cho lan di chung go na mathar che gu jala ti to chong ba da sar ma jang nga cho mota thar ga ma ra te khama te nga cho dba dre nga cho dba dre nga to tharwa dang tamjin chen bi ko mon thop go na nga cho dba de enjing ji jang go re ma thop jang ma tham na nga cho lam la var tuk chu lam ne kar ne te na nga to to ko ma de ne dba jang ya da na den da ga ji pe ji jang na den da ji res.
And so then you might ask, well, why do we need to cleanse obscurations? To go back to our ordinary example, if we were traveling to New York, but if we didn't have a good road, if there were many rocks on the road and trees on the road and lots of things getting in the way, there would be no way that we could travel along the path to New York. And so in the same way, if we don't clear out the obstacles in our own mind that block us from achieving the state of liberation and complete enlightenment, then our path is blocked. And so we have many, many obscurations and obstacles that would keep us from achieving this state. Therefore, gathering merit and purifying obscurations are both very important.
Dene thaba chimbo shangchu senwa ka lamla nyamsal lenne dene sangje kompo go na yang dan yitar go yo res dene sang nga ka thaba la dene sangje kompo na yang den yid ngi par dar gore ma ton de mede denga chu sa ni nda thaw yo ma res.
So cleansing obscurations and gathering merit are important on the foundational path of the hearers and solitary realizers in order to reach the state of arhatship. They're also necessary on the path of the great vehicle of the bodhisattvas in order to achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood. And they're also necessary on the path of secret mantra in order to achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood. Definitely, accumulating a merit and purifying obscurations are needed for all of these paths.
Tina taga nyantu thangman ni nanda thakpa chimbo nanda singha ka thakpa ina driba jangwa dang tsoksoba ni chir gore da inang dene de kozo go tsok sagluk dang na driba jangluk la chapar chimbo yores go murgo la chapar yo mari changmar go gres ina driba jangluk dan den to de tsok sagluk la chapar chimbo yores.
And so for these three different vehicles, the foundational vehicle, the great vehicle, and the vehicle of secret mantra, cleansing obscurations and gathering merit are necessary, but the manner of doing this is very different in these different vehicles.
된다고 드바디 소 탁바 첨부 감납 정탑고 그래서 용 탁바 첨부 파르디 송고나는 파신 탁비 값을 드바정 못합지대서 용 성화 흥aqallamla 되는 드바정 탑이야 된다 요래서
For example, when we think of cleansing obscurations, if there are obscurations that cannot be cleansed when practicing the foundational vehicle, some of those can be cleansed by practicing the great vehicle. And if there are obscurations that cannot be cleansed by practicing the great vehicle, then those can be cleansed by practicing the vehicle of secret mantra.
된다 인데 드바정 고래다 정득라데 차버 된다 요래서 정말
And so all of them require us to cleanse obscurations, but it is done in a different way and to a different degree.
데네데 촉삭바데용 식바레 촉삭바데용 냔투고 탁발레테나 촉삭을 고고요레 데네 촉삭바데랑 아주 묵지 소놈지 초라야던 묵메 이시지 초제는 초니 요고네레스 아니 요네레스
And so it is similar for gathering merit. So in the vehicle of the hearers, then one needs to gather merit, and one needs to gather the two types of merit, conceptual merit and non-conceptual wisdom merit. Both of these accumulations must be gathered.
인나용 더가초 냔투 탁바 그 소놈지 초동 이시 초대동네 데니 상추생호 탁바 그 소놈지 초동 이시 그 초동네 성하가 람근 소놈 그 초동 이시 그 초대
But according to the vehicle of the hearers, how these accumulations of conceptual merit and non-conceptual wisdom are defined is different from how they are defined in the greater vehicle, and that differs from how they are defined in the vehicle of secret mantra.
데니 강따령네 데 섬차데라네 묵지가 소놈고 초동 이시그 소니가더 쪼니 데니 라능소소 람금 데우드 톱 그레스 데마토 라능소소고 람금 데우드 촉 마르조니 톱고요는 말레스
But in all three of those vehicles, then, if one accumulates both of these, wisdom, merit and wisdom, then one is able to achieve the result of that particular path. But how that is actually defined and what that entails is slightly different.
데나레 데니 당아서 탁바 첨보글 람네 zirgona da sengna thaba ga lamni de choksa telana te khona da tongbundrego thaba chimbo ga lamni ndo parsin thabi lamni sarji gompon thobgona tane karchin tangmi khsamla choksa gores choksa debabjan karchin tangmi khsamla choksa debabjan ne tene zo go sanji gam devo thobgores.
According to the path of the great vehicle of the sutra and the Prajnaparamita, if we wish to achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood, it takes 3 limitless kalpas of time, of gathering merit and cleansing obscurations in order to reach the state of Buddhahood.
Tene innayong tagngaso sengg odorji thawpaga lamkhala tene tsoksop deba innana to khana rang abdamga yung lami abdamga yung yot tappa yung yot tene rang chachin chama changna chigchig likchig zamzuk de sangje kompon toptwa yores.
But we, who are practicing this vehicle of secret mantra, Vajrayana, then when we wish to gather merit and wisdom and cleanse obscurations, by relying on the instructions of the Guru and faith in the Guru, and these kinds of methods, there's the possibility of achieving enlightenment in one body.
Deso kashila tenda tiso yerong bosak gagadong kashila tiso tenda yin tongtong 그 특고야 돼 차버가르즈나 차버 탑리스 탑람 키만케 탑동의 망가요 메가 차버리스.
And so if you ask, well, what is the difference? Why do some paths take a long time and some paths can be accomplished relatively quickly? The difference is in the methods and the instructions.
탑 라야 때는 그게 샤와 첨보직 예농봉고라 예농봉고르지 그 샤와 디미즈 그 디츠 인 통통즈라 차통에 데라 탑라고요라 된다 레트제 그탑 데라 데 탑라고요레스.
And so the method the method, the action, whether it's necessary to act for a long time to accumulate actions and to apply the methods for a very long time, or whether it's possible to just apply these methods for a short time. The extent of that activity that's required depends on the methods that are being used.
인디데 나촌다즈나 다 세르치 리스치가 산지가 컴폰 토토야가 람카텔라 지기오레스.
So we have entered into the path where you can achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood in one life and in one body.
데니 당 나초 촉삭바텔라야는 나초 얼고 몽보지오레스 촉삭당 몽보지오레스 이나 나초 소 뜨거 츠르 촉삭룩 상마 츠르 디나 촉삭얀 라 덤바 그나데 츠르 디오레스.
And so here in our path, there are many, many different ways that we can gather merit and wisdom. But if we want to sort of summarize these ways, you can summarize them as the 7 branches of accumulation.
데니 인낭 다데랑 촉삭얀 라 덤바 창마가 좁샤나 디촌던가 마레 디는가 식당가 좀 초반 브리지 디짱짱 그 땅네데 같이 샤케인스.
Today, we don't have time to go through all of the 7 branches of accumulating merit and wisdom. So I'm going to focus in on one, the branch of offering.
데니 당가 좀 초반 브릴라야 땡가 좀 남진더니 메토금 버거요레 데니 뜨거데 초면 버거요레 데니다 자르젠 버거요레 지금 초바나마 나좀 버거요레 아신데 소청만가 좀 초바리 삼리야는 버거요레스.
So in general, here in our tradition, we make many different offerings, right? We offer flowers, we offer butter lamps, we offer shalze, food offering, tormas, and we think, oh, we are offering as we offer these.
데니가 촌데람 초반 브르이 네감나다 마추 농동 소드 가르리 초반 브르지 그 어무이르 소드 가르리즈 저 뜻이즈 하고 그래서.
And so, as we make all of these offerings, it's important to know what is the main point, or what is our main focus, the focus of these offerings.
실등아초 가르성아초 답밥샤 송들이 땡아초 꼼쪽섬나 답바 요드네 때나아초 초빠쯤 비나 아초람 드브 약보 좀 용그레 삼적 딥삼바도 파트 창막 하고 요레스 땡단 버기 요레스.
And yesterday we spoke about faith and the importance of faith, and the idea that if we have faith in the 3 jewels, then we make offerings thinking that this will benefit me. By making this offering to the 3 jewels, it will have a good result, or it will benefit me. That would be sort of our general idea, right?
야, 대 돈덕식 때레스 텐다 짐산 텐다 진 초반 버거 짐산식 때레스 이나 text장점 말에 짐산 잠바 요레스.
So yes, that is sort of one idea, but that is not the only reason that we make offerings.
회나 앙아촌데니 초바 땅나 메동데서 몽보 피나 상지 땅나 데네데 자라스티 동체바 콩남바가 앙우스님 초발에 롱쇼기오네리 고기오네리 코솔알 고기오네다 요 말이지나 코솔 고기오 말이지.
And so when we make offerings, for example, of flowers and many wonderful things, we should ask ourselves, well, are we offering because the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas need these offerings? No, of course not. They don't need these things.
아촌데니 니마 몽보샵나 코서 큰 로그 말이지 인디가랑 저저야 마서 큰 로그 말이지.
In fact, we've left them here for many days and they never took them away, right? They're still there. So obviously they don't really need them.
데니다 인나양 아촌데나 비고야 그 짐산 잠바 가리요제나.
So then we have to ask ourselves, well, there must be another reason for making these offerings.
그 나초 추반브리아 그 잠바 그 짐san 소드 가리즈나 나초 짐바 덕동 타고 요리서 나초 짐바데 메바조야 그 짐san 찍드리스.
And so really the main reason that we make these offerings is in order to purify our own grasping and fixation.
데니 나초 초반브르나다 가디 난덴다 송군두가 지르자 껑버 껑체 피나 파연텔레 체그레 라얀도 르지 몽보 피나 데 파연텔레 체그레 라얀도 껑 체렁거 갑쇼 껑이나 더 피나 데 파연 체네레 라야데 르짐사 소드 나촌 짐바 텔라 투기오레스.
So you'll hear it said that when you're offering, you should, if you offer a better quality or a more expensive quality or something that you really are attached to, it is of greater benefit. And the reason for this is because of grasping. If we have, whatever we have greater grasping to, then to offer it is of greater benefit in reversing that grasping.
Teni nga tsu tangpo chini zongti ngarang sola kari yodna telan zimba zhigni, de ngarang ga yin sam telan zin jing chik tenda chego yores. Tela ngarang sonde yonra nga tang nga yir zimba sa, nga nyitan zimba tang, nga yir nyitan zimba, nga kare zi dan gongzak tang daga chula daktan zimba da chego yoras.
And so since we were born, our whole lives, we have grasped to whatever we had, whatever we possessed, thinking mine. Actually, this habit of thinking mine is so strong and so powerful. We grasp to I, a self or an individual, and we grasp to phenomena as mine. And so in this way, we have that sense of possession.
Tenda indi ta nga tsu kangsum korwala hichiche gerdi zo de garizina zimbadres.
And what is the cause for us, the main cause for us to wander in the three realms of samsara? It is grasping.
Tene nga tsu korwandala jenchakji yoni zongte korwandala katina tartuko yomares.
As long as we have grasping to samsara, there will never be an end to samsara.
Tenda ini zongte tene nga tsu chopan berjite rangkan stsachimbogu rang haleba gargasa stsawa chimbogu jalak teso yara pizangna ta pizati rang marya. Tene ngarang dangzinde medrogra telan zimbat medrogre to te payon cheja te so chigda tegres. Tene yara bizade tin zimbat jiksaras.
And so when we make an offering, if we offer something that we really love, that's our favorite thing, the most wonderful thing to us, and we offer these things, then by the act of offering, it's not mine anymore, right? So we've given up that cherishing or grasping to it as our own, or part of our self. And so that's really the main point of making offerings.
Tene zambanga so pena dolostik yara pizang nayon dolostik tela mapikona ngaso telan zimba yore ndangagare sam zimba yores yaran bisad telan zimba metsarnes.
So even if we just offer $1, we start out thinking, oh, this dollar is mine. And then after we offer it, we are not relating to it in that way anymore, right? So we purified that grasping.
Tenda indite te dong hara vdir songna te dong jar songna ngaso go pe kormo inna da jalga inna da kare inna ta ngarang sogot yara komchok songna pi sarni zongti yongmana semjena jimbap tang sarni zongti tene rang marya ta maindi zongti ta ti zimbate te rimji te medrog yores te lan zimbate.
And so whether we offer money, whether we offer different articles or substances, whatever is offered, whether we're offering it to the three jewels or whether we are giving it to other sentient beings, after the offering is made, then we are not thinking of it as mine anymore. And so we are purifying that, grasping to it as mine. And so this is how, if we do it again and again, we slowly are able to reverse this habit of grasping.
Tene ngaso shangchu shonjik chembo nonglola ngaso tongpo jimbab jimbine kamna ganda yi dan jongder zina komdo practice ya practice jongder zina nyamlin
Like reciting
practice practice ro 가르쳐 고즈나 ngaso tongpo jalak tela pe jimba chembo yora jimba chembo de tongpo jan la jin matamna nga lakpa yepa de yomba la jin jagasi the yepa go yomba la jin jagasi then da practice chene tenen jimba tizul ne tenen yara jin jag then da practice chirgo zeo tenen jamba la jimba chirgo zeo nis the so the karisa so da ngaton jimba de me bazo ya deras.
And so in the Bodhisattva trainings, when it talks about generosity, the practice of generosity, then the most basic practice you can do is to give something, if you can't give something away, to give it from one hand to the other, your left to your right and back, and practice with that sense of giving. And then eventually you can get to the point where you can actually give it to someone else. So you're working with that tendency to grasp very strongly to that object, and you're slowly lessening that.
Te tenda 냠린 제과 그 짐슨 가르즈는 같은 짐바데 메바조야가 탑시 데 뜻딱딱 그랬어.
And so really the main point of all these offerings is in order to, it's a special method to reduce our own grasping.
덴디데 땅아서 친 디스통랑 아서 지르지 롱초카레 요나텔라 덴 짐바 메비체든 짐바 동위체다. 데네데 등아서 야 꼼적섬나 초바 마랑송섬나 짐바 땅나 스틱난 짐바용 메도요레 니나 초용 자침보 속요레스.
And so in this life, we have such a strong habit of grasping to our wealth and our possessions and so many things that if we can start making offerings of them to the three jewels and also giving them to other beings, both kinds of generosity, it slowly reduces our grasping and starts to change that habit.
데니 성집 좀 된데 돈 잡는 지지 요리 파르제체나 바 증용나 탕스티노 로지 몽보요레스 अर्गेलोंसो खासिग रणोसोसो लोंजे तेलापे छपाचेने तेने अर्गेलोंदे शिसारने तेने यंगचर वड्रकस्चेवा लोंने ते हुमाको लोंजे कम थाकाला छिने तेने दायं खन्तेना योरेस तेने अर्गेलों जाम्बातेसो संजीव चंदनला जिद्द कारेजे ते ओ दाद खोरंग हुमा लोंजे तेला हाले ban जिम्बा छिम्बोजिने तेने दिछुंगोना लारियों वड्रकस्चेने लोंजेला 통제를 집잡네 된다고 된다고 로지 몽보샤 요레스 또 처마 가르지는 점바레스 점박 짱짱 그 셔진 뜨거는 된 코랄라스라 용요레스
Then they go on the Kongze la Zimba Yutne Dene Kare.
되네 코 시송나 영적 우드르게 발레네
Drew.
우드르
A snake.
스네이크 발레네 된 통제그나 치다요
Ah, that's
되네 얼게송 잠바데 그 성집 좀 되는 가차티리 근데 가르레지데 오 성집 온단 얼게송 홈마데 그런 거 통제들 할래 바쳐네 되네 다시 송레세
Do Zamnan?
도딘 잠나는
Dodi Zamnan. So the Buddha explained in one sutra, he gave there are many stories there. But there was one monk who passed away, and then he was reborn as a snake that was coiled inside a begging bowl. And all of the other monks asked the Buddha, well, what is this? What happened? And the Buddha said, oh, well, he was really attached to his begging bowl. So he was reborn as a snake in the bowl. And so it just shows that it all has to do with our grasping. Even a monk, if he has grasping to his begging bowl, is still having difficulties with grasping.
되네 가서 바르도 그 추코르는 악송도가 당가서 실한 비네감나 라노 소소 그 지르지 롱체 창마 다른 거 탑나 딱 꼼짝섬나 창마 덤 버적 탑나 딱 엉덩 보치고요레스 되네 가르지나 이런 건 점바 민도 그래 엉무슨 버탑나 대가트 무슨 버 마탐나 셈거 토네 당이 지르지 롱체 창마 꼼짝섬나 버네인 삼네 되네 런거 지르지 롱체 창마란 점바다 똥고레 데텐다 송요레스 딕송야 그 짐석 소드 가르지나 짐바요나 가서 콜랑 콜용거레스 뜨거는 땡아서 인증문증 짐바도 땅토고야 그 짐산데 뜨그레스
In the Bardo teachings, it explains that when we are approaching death, if we are able to offer all of our own personal wealth and money and possessions to the three jewels, then we're able to give up grasping to them. And if we can actually physically do that, make that offering, then that's incredibly powerful. If we're not able to, then at least in our mind, if we think, I offer all of my wealth, all of my possessions, anything we're attached to, we're giving it up, we're offering it to the three jewels, then it can really help us at that moment of death, giving up that habit of grasping and attachment. And the main reason that we wander in samsara, that we would take another birth, would be because of grasping and attachment. So the method to give that up at that moment of death is very powerful.
딘다레제 딘디디 당아소야를 꼼쪽선남 초반 버나요 나송선남 짐밥 당나요 그 그런 거다 구바 쪼익직도 당아쪽은 짐바드 말아 메바줘야 그대 돈덕식들이스
And so the main point, the main reason that we make offerings to the three jewels and that we show generosity to others is to give up grasping.
덴다레제 덴디데 덴다 등아서 하고 송네 데니 가서 곰적섬남 춘반 버낙 찍나 가서 그 지르지 롱초카리 촌나텔란 짐바드 땅적너리 대판요 찍요레스 아니나는 Samba number tak pergonita de yahoching de metog de pe yahoching de dan de yapon de ne komchok sumna pernein samne te laksar number tak ba tenda chi perjong ni zongte atene de nga cho chok de mone tang ne ge chok jachim bo sak thap ko neres.
And so, if we understand this, if we think as we make the offering, oh, my purpose is to give up grasping by making offerings to the 3 jewels or showing generosity to others. And if we also have a pure mind or a pure intention wishing to offer something pure, like, oh, these are really beautiful flowers, I wish to offer these, then by the power of this, we can accumulate very vast gatherings of merit and wisdom.
Tendares tene nga som chupa perna rang kang gana rang tande de yopodri samna te kang gashog da kang yakhshu de ta komchok somla ya bergores te mamberna te de nga so onem chupa ga sashran rotab yo mari hona cherang lap chalak chi yone chalak da cherang la margo mergo ji ga chalak za chem bi jona dem chupa ga sashran rotab yo mari kar ji chetlan zamba ton yo mara mane ora yuk sam yo ra te te yara komchok som ber zekachena tela jang disongona payon chikang yo mares.
And so when we make offerings, we should be offering something that we love, something that is our favorite, that we really like, that we're really attached to, or that we really find to be pleasing. Because if we only offer things that we just don't really like, or that we want to get rid of, or that really aren't our favorite thing, we already don't have grasping to those, right? We've already have the mind of wishing to get rid of them. And so there's really no point in offering something like that. The main point is to offer something that we have this strong sense of grasping and attachment to.
Tendares te rang mergo ji yara pina komchok samla na tergog mares. Tene cherangla nar gog yo mares te te panyan sa ni top yo mar. Samban number ta ba yo mares. Atendandi tela ja guba chikang yo mares.
And so if you offer something to the 3 jewels that you don't need, well, we already established the 3 jewels don't need it, so there's no benefit there. And you don't need it, so there's no benefit in offering it to purify your grasping to it. So really there's kind of no point in making that sort of offering.
Tendare teni nga so jirje chimboyin nanda chongchongyin nanda rang rgasa yongmana khsangma samba tagba da chik pinang da semjin tamche sangje ge kompong tobi che tangyen berne yin samje tif samba da inchimjik khatgo gores.
And so whether we offer something very great or something very small, we should try to offer something that we really like, that we have attachment to, and we should try to offer something that is pure or, very nice, clean, and we should also try to offer with a pure mind or intention. And what does that mean? That means we offer wishing that we could gather merit for the sake of all beings so that they could achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood.
Tene yang kashi ge samlo dong na sangje ge ta nga so shangtok to yara pina sangje ge zan za ge mari tene nga so zhi zangma zo ne gare che gure sam gare dan tenda mari ze sangje ge nga so shangtok yara pino za ge mari ji ge mari da inna ngarang so ge samba ge go ne o zangma zo na ta samba zangma ji re do yores rang ngarang so ge khala za na shangtok to ji zangma zo ne za ge de gas o te rong jin de ne sangje lang ten ra go samje tif samno tor go re ma to Sunday Kongo Yara Pina Jiga Marita, Marchinan Decree Samji Tenda, Dekio Mares. Angaso Narang so Gari Gogiona, did the Sanjalan Bijota, took so the Tangaso Chopa Sama the Tenda and Cheguremato, Sanjila Career Gomer Go Chakacha Maris, Narang Sola Carir Sama in Batang, Naris Sola Career Gagio Patang, Narang Sola Career Carchimbo in Bate, Bigogores.
Now, some people think, well, when I offer this fruit, the Buddhas really aren't going to eat the fruit, so there's no need to wash it. The Buddhas are not going to eat it. That's true. But we need to offer the fruit. We need to offer clean fruit because we need to clean our own mind. And if we were going to eat the fruit, we would wash it first, right? And so we should prepare it in the same way as if we were going to consume it. We should offer it to the Buddhas. So if you think, oh, the Buddha won't eat it, so it doesn't need to be clean, it doesn't really matter, that's just not very good logic or not really correct. We need to be clean. We need to offer something clean. And we need to offer what we ourselves need, what we ourselves want, what would work for us. And so if we would clean the fruit in order to eat it ourselves, then of course we should clean it in order to offer it to the Buddhas. Because once again, this is not about what the Buddhas need. They don't need any of this stuff. It's about what we need, what we like, what is important to us, and offering that in order to purify our grasping.
어딘다레스 데니 나소 고용 참참나 베차나노라 나소 링아 있음들 꼼쪽선란 버지진다나 된다가 측 몽본도가 된다양 측 고야 측도 몽본도데 나소 그 링아 있음들 선지가 가르지 지금 고거 말이야 나소 그리 남막상와레 되네 응아양 참참 속반도레 세명 속반도 된다니디 선지를 고거 말이다 이나 나소 비 삼지고 삼바득 소드 나랑소 shirna ngarong sogor jirje longcho tela zamba chagjin pe chimbo yores teni ngarong sogo tiksum gergewa tela nga so chagjin ji yores ta ina so changman nang nga so zamba cheshu de garezina nga so zamba cheshu de ngarong sogo linga yisum ngarong so rang nga ziji tela zamba cheg yores teni jimsan tela chide nga ziji ngarong linga yisum de bergo ya ger jimsan te gari makto tam ngarong so zug bonde ko komcho sum gareje korong so chikang gog mares.
Now, in the texts, you will often see the idea of offering one's own body, speech, and mind to the three jewels. And so, again, you might wonder, well, what are the Buddhas going to do with my body, speech, and mind? Most of the time, they're actually quite dirty. Dirty body, dirty mind. How does that benefit the Buddhas? What will they do with it? So once again, you have to understand that the point is not that the Buddhas are going to they need it or they're going to make use of it. But the reason that we offer our body, speech, and mind is the same as when we offer our wealth. Actually, we're very attached to our wealth and our possessions. We're very attached to our merit of the 3 times. But our most prized possession, our biggest attachment is our own self, right? Our body, speech, and mind. It is the I, the me. And so when we offer that, we are cutting through our greatest attachment.
된다레지 당아롱소 체럽 코로아 토마 메바니 nga지지고 때란 점바들 싸니 땅뇽 말레스 nga라 nga지지 때란 점바죠라 착바들 싸니 땅뇽 말레스 땅 맘뇽니 zon티 땅아선 참참 란드네 추 냠냠신 돈반돈 된다티티 스카직 막직 잠즈라 nga지지들 꼼촉소난 버적 제다 nga지지고 점바들 찌즈 땅상나야 대량 파연침보 토교니를 뜨그레스.
And so for limitless, countless many, many lifetimes, again and again, we never ever gave up the I. We never gave up fixation and attachment on ourself. And so occasionally, when we practice Dharma, for one instant, if we're able to think, oh, I offer myself to the Buddha, how amazing and how powerful is that?
텐다레스 테니데 텐다에 다나 되게 가서서 점바 되게는 동비 치드 댐 초반버나 소 되게레스 점바 땅나다 아니처들이스 점바 땅나가 소 실나 가롱 속은 점바 때움 땅고요레 데네 파로 발랑 반디스 토고요레스 하나 가르 똥보나 칼라자나 고소 토고주 장동요라 데네 디즈 둘론다타나 고소 똥보 착요라 니찰라 판토고요레다 있나 딱소도 가롱 손 점바 때 땅고요레스.
And so really the main purpose of making any kind of offering, whether it's to the 3 jewels or to others who are in need, is to rout out this mind of fixation and grasping and attachment. That's really the whole point. And then there are other benefits that come, like for example, if we give clothes or food to the needy, then it can benefit them. Yeah.
Tendares. Tendaindidi ta ngaso telobaga di na teloba kong damgar chuk song yora vs nangwe menchang jemban chujing narobaze narobala kong kare di song na damgar no yonersen snawa ka chon chang mares snawa kare yona ngaso dope yondan nga ta ngaso zu da tro raksha kare kesnawa yona 되게 초 강성 거라는 청거 마res 이나 가래 그 전 청거에선 점바든 청거레스 다 가트 나와 가래 나나 즈다트로테 솔라 착바든 점바드 즉 사네 되는 코로란 청거레스 있더니 담강나야다 때려 어스 노이면 청 젬바 초징 나로 봐 다치는 젬바드 초쇼다 등 득성레 더 나와가 제가 경고 마res 이따는 송요레스.
And so Tilopa gave advice to Naropa, saying that appearances do not cause us to wander in samsara. So the objects of the five senses, no matter what kind of beautiful or amazing things appear, those are not the cause for us wandering in the three realms of samsara. The cause is attachment to those appearances and fixation on those appearances. And so when we make offerings, we are reversing that attachment.
Ini ngaco sangwa ngakne kamnayang doyun mahpang lamtalama laya gatinda chiyore dopiyon nga mahpang jintana tene te lamtabya te mahpang na kare dogorosna so dopiyon nga ta mahpang na te zimbat mayoni zonten dopiyon nga la lonshona te kanok yo mares so zimbat majigna ten dkyores te nga so khanar jirje lonchota ka che mongpo yo na te nga so khoran chang mares nga 총 코란 청ចិត្តnga 총 요바텔란 짐바즈네 된 청교레스.
In the teachings of Secret Mantra, it says that it is not necessary to give up the objects of the senses. One can practice with the objects of the senses. And so this idea comes from the fact that it is not the objects of the senses, it is not our wealth, our possessions, our enjoyments, or anything like this that cause us to wander in samsara. It is the grasping to these that causes us to wander in samsara. And so we have to understand this distinction.
어떤데 딘디디 혼나가 손 짐바당나 척바 첨보요나 아소 정 롱치 총총즈 막도 메나요. 된 코로나 청시 제기오레스 아소 척바당 짐바면은 아소 혼나 지르제 롱친 잠볼는 거지데 참마처럼 롱나 짐바면나 뜨게 처럼랑 코로나 청치 거지 제기 말레스.
And so if we have very great grasping and attachment, even if our possessions are very small and minor, we have almost nothing, still that attachment will cause us to wander in samsara. Conversely, if we have many possessions, if we possess the wealth of the whole world, the whole universe, but we had no attachment, then none of that would cause us to wander in samsara.
어떤다레스 딘디팅아 좀 첩반 버난다 짐바 땅난다더니 당하는 속을 갑속동 스타와 첨보티 소야란 버나다 소든 아쪽은 짐바데 마라지피 동이 내가 탑지그랜드 의제 딘당아 저 성역을람내는 대 초서 드바정아데네 탑차버자 몽보요레스 예나다 소든 아촌더니 하고 거이데 오다 라마 남거나 당아 좀 첩반 버나 역보든 버고는 성근도 어때니 대가 저 지금 하나 만드르즈 퍼나요 만드르다 랍나는 խ스르동 거 만드 딘다 퍼고생도 저 짐찬 어텐다 인즈 삼지것도 삼로도처럼 하고 송나 아테니 역보송요레스 대막도 그때 참참한 것에서 짐찬 데라 마콘 코롱초것도 르지르 고고요 사레 뜨거니 송포데라 피솔라콘도 삼년도 덴다가 로스타치 송나 다 역보요 말레스 아테니데 가서 어떻게 짐찬다 하고 가랑 속은 점바동 척바 다람 잡비 쳇데 된다 인들에 막도 잠바지가 말했어.
And so according to Secret Mantra, once again, then whether we are making offerings to our objects of reverence or practicing generosity to those who are in need, we should try our best to offer our favorite things or the best things that we can find, because this is the method for cutting through attachment and grasping. And so there are many different methods in Secret Mantra Vajrayana for accumulating merit and wisdom and cleansing obscurations. But the principal method that is often mentioned is to offer to one's guru all of one's possessions, or to make vast and wonderful offerings to one's guru. And so in the teachings it will say, if you're going to offer a mandala to your guru, then the best case would be to offer one that is made of gold and silver. Or they talk about these different levels of offerings. And so the reason that they say the best offering would be one of gold and silver, again, is because we have to cut through our own attachment, and because we should be offering the very best that we have, the best that we can find. So some people hear these teachings and they think, the gurus are just trying to get wealth. So they just want us to offer all the best things to them, right? They're just trying to get it for themselves. And so that's really a wrong view. That's not the point of these teachings. The point of these teachings is to encourage us to offer that to which we have the most attachment, so that we can cut through and reverse this sense of grasping and attachment.
나랑날 지지 요바다 상마던 버고고 요리즈다 다 말이스 다치랑 자카리 비나요 삼반 넘버 딱박고니 밑에 고고 요리스 허나 체랑라 니송고는 돌로 트주요나 띠능 체 돌로 찌야람 비낭 오다 faksim number takpa ga goni tan de semjin temchi sarji go komon to bichid ngin de komchik samlan bernayin samne cherang faksim number tak baksangman bitamna te yobo chakyores ina cherang kormo ja thamba bini serna tang cheban bina ja thamba bini tang na kormoching bini kormoching piag payan chegyores.
So now we might be wondering, well, does this mean I need to offer all of my wealth and possessions to the 3 jewels? No, that's not really necessary. The point is that whatever you offer, you should offer with a very pure motivation, a pure mind. And so, for example, let's say you have $10,000 and you decide to offer $1 to the 3 jewels, but you have a very pure motivation wishing that by your offering all sentient beings could achieve the state of fully awakened Buddhahood, and with great reverence and respect for the 3 jewels, you make this offering without any grasping, very freely making the offering, then that is an excellent offering. In contrast, if you offer $100, but you have a sense of greed and stinginess and you really don't want to give it up, and you're really overextending yourself in terms of what you can offer, then there won't be a lot of benefit from that offering, and actually the $1 offering is really the better and the more meritorious offering.
Tene ngaso lama chimbo namgoda rangna sosogo hanjir changman bertokyo res ngaso tokyo mareda matamna dukyo res khayjig jana churji yibjinor stabji di his holiness jingme panzoram boje khondasina konfkutse konla kongo harji yonzog da tama mombola urgendam balan biore hana laron garne kongo kongdang de kongo songmo anem memso medon dang dane kongo chamom khanduma memso kongna baksam go uduglo konji changchang matlag yo mareda changma laron gar gendam ba yongzola 된다 뻥덕 제제너래 된다 당마 멍보 피레 콩고 환줄 용족 된다 피레 까르막직 하고 말해 된다 콩나마가 피트고리 까르즈는 점바요 말이야 콩나마 피트고요레스 당아랑서 피트고 말에다 마탐나 쫑고 말에 까리 피야데 데 삼바 딱방고니 피나된 득이 그랬어
So the very great gurus of our time, they can offer all of their wealth, all of their possessions, absolutely everything to the 3 jewels. But we, us practitioners, we're not able to do that, and that's really okay. His Holiness Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche, during his life, there were many times that he just gave all of his wealth and all of his possessions to the Sangha. Gonda Larangarla, Kandraman Mimso, and Dindra.
콩나 막섬데 간두만 멈소동 된 안내메돈 콩나 막섬 그 정말 비죠.
There were many times at Larangar when His Holiness Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche and Kandroma Mimsa and Ani Mendron, those 3, they offered everything that they had to the Sangha, even their best and most beautiful clothing and possessions, absolutely everything they would offer to the Sangha. And so they were able to do that. They were able to make those kinds of vast offerings. We are not able to practice generosity on that level, and that's perfectly fine. What we have to do is find the level where we can offer with a mind that is really freely giving and with pure intention, and then that is how we can make the best offering.
Oh yeah, 된다 제나 되는 가서 그 속자 전부 썩덕고요리 되는 담바 동보 센집 담바 조라 무즈 묵메 담바 되는 지서 모아 담바에서 청마 걸고니 대가서 초반 버나양 짐바 땅나 된다 제나 대가서 속자 전부 썩덕고요리 되는 티처 조성 들지체스.
So if we can offer in that way, then we can gather a vast gathering of merit and wisdom. And of course, all of our offerings should include, in the beginning, having the proper motivation for the benefit of all beings, and then in the actual practice, having the proper focus, and then at the end, dedicating the merit, those 3 sacred aspects of any practice. And if we can offer in that way, then we can really accumulate a vast gathering of merit and wisdom. And now we've run out of time.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.